Hi everyone, today's video is on the unboxing of my newly purchased IWC watch, reference number IW388108. Thank you so much for all the comments in my previous video. Due to budget constraint, I have decided to purchase the titanium chronograph instead of the rose gold version. Before the unboxing, have a look at the watch I am wearing today. Is my ice brew Dow Tissue PRX Powermatic. Let's continue with today's unboxing. This is the paper bag from IWC. This is the watch. Actually, this watch I ordered locally and I get it from my AD. So this is the standard IWC watch case, the usual cardboard one, which looks quite stiff and steady. This is the standard IWC watch box. Inside here, okay, because of this watch, this is actually the AMG Petroleum watch that released in 2022, late last year. You can see inside the accessory, we have this cleaning cloth, which later we will be using it. I find the quality is quite good. There's an extra pair of fabric, I suppose, fabric stripe, which match well with the color of the dial of the watch. This is the warranty card. Okay. There's a 8-year warranty if you registered your warranty online. There's the tag, the usual IWC tag. A few of the menu, which shows the user how to use the watch chronograph function and the easy exchange or easy change. That's all. Let's take a look at the physical watch. What I like about this IWC case or the box is this. Every watch comes with this I call it watch box, which actually quite feasible if you want to, and useful if you want to bring this watch together for your overseas trip. Okay, you can see, you can close it in this manner, and you can admire the watch. This is the watch that I've purchased. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, rubber stripe. You can see it pairs well with the free pair of black fabric stripe. This watch has a 46-hour power reserve. Regarding the physical dimension, you can refer to my description underneath. Okay, there's a clear case, sapphire case back for us to admire the watch movement. So let's put on this watch of mine. And on top of this watch, I also purchased an extra piece of stripe from IWC. Which is this, the newly released yellow stripe or yellow rubber stripe, which is nicely packed in this carrier. Do take note, all the stripe from IWC does not comes with the buckle. I pay an extra for this buckle. Okay, so same thing, come with the easy change, which now I will show everyone how does the easy change works. Okay, so it's actually quite easy. Okay, not like the traditional watches. We just actually need to just press this button over here. We'll press it, you can see it's being easily released. Same thing for this, which means that we can actually change the watch ourselves. And this is the watch. Okay, whether we want to pair it with the black one, see, can be changed easily. See, I think the black one is also quite nice, but due to the weather in Singapore, I will not use this fabric stripe often. So now let's take a look how the watch looks like if I change into the bright yellow rubber stripe. This is a stripe that is new, brand new, that's why it's a bit difficult to remove. Yes, it's removed. Okay, this is the yellow stripe. The reason why I choose the yellow stripe instead, okay, other than those new color, there's a bright orange. I find that there's a bit of contrast. Yellow with the green color wordings on the dial, and now it's considered summer time. It suits. The feel of the year. Not bad. Smooth and comfortable stripe. Okay, I hope everyone will like my review, and if you are still considering whether to buy this watch because of the color, I would say that, okay, due to this watch, I've tried a few times under different lighting. The watch may look a bit different, so it will be good if you can see the watch in person. I personally like this watch because I like things that is bright. Okay, so in future, okay, if you need me to do any other watch review, please leave a comments, and if I manage to get the watch, I'll definitely do a review for everyone. Hope everyone enjoy this video. See you next time.